Rai Martin Question Bank Class 8 Model Question Paper 3. A. Write T for true and F for false statement. Provide supporting statement. Number 1. A farmer was coming with freshly cut grass balanced on his head. False. Supporting statement. He saw a grass cutter coming from the other direction. A bundle of freshly cut grass balanced on his head. Number 2. The grass cutter was amazed at the question. The grass cutter was amazed. B. Answer the following question. Number 1. Why was the boy disappointed? The boy was disappointed to see that the grass cutter was still mystified. Number 2. Where did the boy wander in search of the clouds? The boy wandered far in search of the clouds. Read the poem and answer the following question. The sapling draws its food from loose soil. Number 2. The bent down trees does what? Revive. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct alternative. In India, the laborers of mills and factories live. Number C. In great misery. Number 2. As long as the common people remain poor and miserable, our country will. Answer number B. Not attain any real progress in any direction. B. Number 1. What is the urgent need of our nation right now? The urgent need of our nation right now is to find the means of reducing the want and the stress of her people. Number 2. What is the condition of the cultivators of our country? The cultivators live in the most terrible condition. Number 3. Who are the largest part of the nation? The common people are the largest part of the nation. Grammar and vocabulary. 4. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles and preposition. The shops beside the street were brightly lit on Christmas. 5. Do as directed. Number 1. He did it. I know the reason. I know the reason why he did it. Number 2. I took a cup of tea. Write down the noun phrase. A cup of tea. Number 3. Only you can do it. Change into a negative sentence. None but you can do it. Number 4. She dash celebrate her birthday tomorrow. She will celebrate her birthday tomorrow. Number 6. Given below are the meanings of two words which you will find in the passage given in question number 3. Find the words and write them in the proper boxes given on the right hand side. A. Abroad, foreign. B. But number 2. Pathetic, miserable.